All right, Tim and Pat here in Woodruff, South Carolina with equipment and stuff. And Riley, we don't want to exclude him, Riley the digger. We got this new 45-ton log splitter in today that has an interchangeable 4-way head. And we are going to show you with the standard splitting head how strong this thing is with its 45-ton ram cylinder. We've got some logs here, some fresh green, non-seasoned logs with knots in them. See if this thing splits wood like it's supposed to, not like one of those Home Depot Lowe's models. So we're gonna fire the tractor up here. Just wanted to shoot this while you could hear us talk, and we're gonna see what this thing does. Wow, that was like nothing. Back it up. There's knotted wood. Try splitting that with an axe or a mallet. Next up is a piece of green hardwood that I just cut about 2 weeks ago. Literally has water dripping out of the middle of it there, and we are right here in a section where it wides off. Let's see how it does with this. Go ahead, Pat. Like butter. Okay, we disconnected it, got it on this hill and rolled it over. Now we are going to hook up to it in the reverse position where it is inverted, and we're going to look how this thing can actually work with you to pick the logs up and split them at the same time. Okay, now we've arranged these logs right behind each other. These were all from the same tree, but in theory, let's just say you used the tree shear to cut those, or a chainsaw and you had them laying down, you could just run right up them, pick them up and split them. So that's what we're going to do. So Tim here again. Talk for a second while the machine's off. Next thing we're going to show you is the benefit of having this thing inverted upside down. If you've got a 22-inch by 22-inch 150-pound piece of oak, you're not going to just move that around by hand, and you're not even going to move it around easy with 2 guys or a wheelbarrow. So you can come at this thing and approach it with the cutter and just pick it up, move it where you want to move it. So if you're by yourself, it's another benefit of having this cutter with the 2 reversible positions, making it a lot easier to handle heavy wood like this all by yourself.